Hello and welcome to the video. Before we get started, if you'd like to provide input on future content and get our weekly newsletter, click on our survey. The link will be below. We also have a report on Ethereum 2, along with a bonus report on why you should learn Solidity now. Again, the link will be below. Now on to the video, and thank you. Okay. So I think I have a solution, and I did get it to build, and I'll show you what I did that finally got it to decide it wanted to cooperate. Let's go to this. So I was Googling around and trying all kinds of things, and it looks like this is the key, because the errors I was getting when I do a clean, try to do a clean build is, where is that error? Is no required modules. You have to turn this off. The other thing I did is, and I need to put these in my, let's see, ENV, and it should show Go Path, and the other one is this Export Go module off. So so these are things you would set while you're building. You may want to have, I would say, like just a little shell script or something like this, where you put those two commands in. So this was the one they didn't tell you about. This one. That looks like it turns off it looking for modules. Now I found some other things too. Let's see. So this Stack Overflow here, we didn't need to do Go and Knit, but they have some good pointers to starting to write in Go. And the other thing is, this one is where I did make sure I got the latest version of Go, is installing Go, so they talk about that. Let's see. Your first program. The other thing, the third thing I found is, if you recall the instructions, where are they? Right, they mention that you are supposed to do sudo apt install build essential. This here gives you a good instruction on how to do that, and how to verify, more importantly, that it's there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little thing in my Evernote with these links, so I can put them in the video notes, so that you all will have them. Let's see. So what I did is, first of all, I made sure I had a clean. I don't want to do that. So I made sure I had a clean version of directly from GitHub. And once I had that, what was this? The other thing I did is I made sure everything was up to date. So now we have it built. You can see it takes a little time. It's going to give you this. Looks like it's some kind of warning. We might as well see if this is going to work. But, yeah, the thing that I think was messing me up, that was not in the instructions, was this Go module off. that and the Go path. Now let me explain something else before we continue. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see, I think it's in their workspace. Let's see where it tells it put it. .build bin. Okay, so let's go into okay. And this is the key. This is where everything is. And you can see it's there. So let's go. And the Go path, let me show you that. Go back to that. Where did it talk about that? Go path. Here we go. This is important. Go path is where you have your bin, package, and source. So if you go up one here, so we have ls bin, ls package. I don't know if we have a package. And, oh, that's interesting. That's very interesting. I'm trying to see. It's actually under this workspace. So you do have your source there. And that would be the GitHub. And interestingly enough, the way this does it, this here is the traditional way. Making sure you've seen it, the traditional structure, but it looks like it's structured a little different. I ended up you see, pointing to this workspace. And let's go back up and see if we can get this thing to run. The instruction, of course, is, where'd it go? So let's do that. We're going to go up one. Paste. And there we go. We got a chain. So let me go back through what we got here. We have the instructions that are a little incomplete because they don't talk about having to turn the module stuff off. This is how you can get all packages. We didn't really need to do that. This is the key that they leave out, which is export go 111 module equals off. Let's see what else is important. So this is good documentation if you're doing Go to get started. This goes over a little bit the structure of a Go workspace. And this is basically what you can check by doing GCC version and G++ version, and those will verify that you actually have these build essentials. And this article here explains what the build essentials are. Okay, thank you for watching. You can see sometimes you have to do a little bit of Googling to find the exact incantations that the computer wants. And in this case, they left out the the key thing, which of course was the turning off mods. So anyway, hopefully this has been helpful. It's certainly at least taught me a bit about Go language, which is one of the languages that some of these chains are written in. So again, thank you for watching, and hopefully this has been helpful, and I will speak to you next time. Take care.